Hey Galaxy fans! Big updates are coming your way as Samsung slowly prepares Android 15 for Galaxy smartphones. We're diving into everything new in One UI 7.0, the latest firmware release, and which Galaxy devices are set to receive this update. Overview of One UI 7.0. For Galaxy smartphone owners, Samsung is steadily working on Android 15. Although we're still awaiting details on the One UI 7.0 beta program, a hands-on video recently dropped, giving us a fresh look at One UI 7. Samsung first showcased this update at last month's Samsung Developer Conference, so today we'll break down everything we know so far. Sneak peek from new advertisements. First, let's talk about a new advertisement for the One UI 7.0 beta. Although Samsung hasn't officially launched the beta, a commercial showing 3 developers working on the new graphical look has appeared in the Samsung Members app. It may not be 100% official, but it's a promising preview of what's to come. Expected timeline and devices. Samsung usually announces its One UI beta programs through a press release, detailing device eligibility and market availability. According to sources, the One UI 7.0 beta might kick off by the end of the year, with the stable version expected around the Galaxy S25 launch. Recently, a Galaxy S24 Ultra running an early One UI 7.0 build was spotted, featuring noticeable updates in icons and layout, making Galaxy fans even more excited. Feature highlights in One UI 7.0. This One UI 7.0 release is packed with some great new features. Updated icons for core apps like Gallery and Camera. Enhanced user interface elements with refined colors and blur effects. New widgets and a redesigned quick settings panel. And a fresh charging animation that appears on both the home and lock screen. Section 5. Samsung's commitment to compatibility. Samsung has also been updating key Galaxy apps for Android 15 compatibility. This focus on app interoperability is crucial, especially during the beta testing phase. With these updates, users can expect a seamless experience when they finally upgrade to One UI 7.0. Expected eligible devices for Android 15. So, which Galaxy devices will receive the Android 15 and One UI 7.0 update? Here's a quick rundown. Galaxy S series, S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, S24, and the S23 and S22 series. Galaxy Z series, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 6, Z Fold 4, and Z Flip 3. Galaxy A and M series, models like Galaxy A73, A55, M55, and more. This list isn't final, but we'll keep updating as more details emerge. And that's a wrap. As Samsung finalizes One UI 7.0, we'll keep you posted on every update, feature, and device compatibility. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and stay tuned for more Galaxy news. See you in the next video. Peace out.